This is our Burndy PAT750 12-ton crimper. A few features and benefits of the tools: you're able to rotate the tool 355 degrees to basically get wherever you need to go to crimp. Our heads are forged by Smith & Wesson. We do take Makita batteries, but we do have battery adapters available for other tool manufacturers. One of the key benefits of the tool is being able to jog the piston forward. That way you're able to hold the lug in place while you insert your wire. You run the tool until you hear a pop, which means that hit 12 tons of pressure, and then you completed your crimp.